Hey y'all, it's Kadeir, and today I'm going to be giving you my example of a beginner nail prep tutorial. Keep in mind that everybody nail prep is completely different. As you can see from the first clip, it's a drastic change in where we first started and our final results. So feel free to take what you need and tweak it to what works for you. And this is just me saying hi again. So hey y'all. The first thing you want to do before you start any service is make sure that you and the client both washes your hands with disinfectant soap, whether it be Dawn, Dial, whatever you use. Any hand soap, make sure you wash your hands. When it comes to prep, every nail tech does their prep differently. No, because I was also working in a salon and they don't go in with cuticle solution. They're very time efficient. They do what's the quickest. They do not care what's the best, what gets the best results. They want to do what's going to get you in and out. Some at-home nail techs, they also are like that because they want to take more clients in a day. It just depends on what best works for you. What do you like to do and what do you want to offer to your clients? Because you do not have to offer any service that you do not want to offer. You want to create a service that you want to offer. Do not let nobody force nothing onto you. Do what you want to do. Do what you enjoy to do. Because it's thousands of nail techs, but there'll never be another you. What you might not do, somebody else might do, and what somebody else might not do, you can do. So do not try to fiddle in with anybody else. But we're gonna go in with a cuticle pusher. I go in with my Sally Hansen cuticle remover, cuticle softener, and I just let that sit on the nail, get in there, and soften all that up so it can help pushing it back, right? But yeah, I changed my name from Nail by Kadeir to KD Luxury Nails after I found out what services and experience I wanted to sell to my clients. That's also a part of branding. As you see in this clip, I just sped up me pushing back the cuticles. Make sure you get a good cuticle pusher. Make sure everything you get for your business, you invest and get the best quality because it will help you down the line. Better tools equal better quality, meaning better quality work you put out, meaning you could charge higher prices. Never be afraid to invest in yourself. Plus, the higher quality content you put out is the more likely. Y'all, I'm reading the teleprompter. Hold on. Teleprompter moving heck of fast right now. What the heck? But the higher quality content you put out is the higher chances that it will get pushed more by YouTube, TikTok, and stuff like that. You gotta know the algorithm basically. But right now I'm just going in with some fingernail clippers and cutting my nails down, making sure they all even in length. And then I'm gonna go on with a file. And then I'm going to file them, make sure they're smooth. You just want to make sure they're perfect. I don't even know the right words. I'm not even gonna hold you. Then I'm going on with this thing. And I got this in a manicure kit from Shein. I meant to do a haul from the stuff I got from Shein, but I opened all the stuff. And then I was gonna put it back in the packages and pretend like I didn't open it, but the packages was getting cluttered up, and I just had to get it away from me. It was messing up my head. I had to get it away from me. So if y'all still want to see the most recent stuff I bought, nail stuff I bought, I can still show y'all that. But that came in that little kit, and I'm just getting all the dirt from underneath my nails, and then I'm just gonna shape them up and make sure there's no rough edges. That's what I'm doing. I make sure there's no rough edges on the free edge nail because I do know the technical words. The next stage in our prep tutorial is going to be removing the shine from the natural nail. On the natural nail, you do not want to use a sanding bit higher than 240 because it will and can damage your natural nail, especially if you're using the wrong speed RPM. Lately I've been doing a 1, 2, 3. I really just been doing a 1. And if it sound like I'm smacking a little bit, I got this fruit roller and it's stuck to the paper and I'm still trying to eat it. Then we about to apply our nail tips from sidewall to sidewall, making sure they fit perfectly so they don't cause the nails to pop off and shit. My bad, y'all. Mouth watering from the fruit roll up. I was trying to be professional. Hold on, redo, don't judge. And if you made it this far in the video and you feel like I taught you something, please leave a like, okay? And if you want to see more, please subscribe, okay? This is my second video. I'm going to get better over time, okay? And we're going to go into shaping. Now, this is not a shaping tutorial because there's so many different shapes. And making this video, I realized, hey, maybe I should do an in-depth shaping tutorial because this is just a stiletto. And stiletto is very different from a duck nail. And a duck nail is very different from almond nail. And an almond nail is very different from a coffin nail. And a coffin nail is very different from a square nail. You all shape them differently. So I can't really, wouldn't be very helpful unless you wanted to know how to do a stiletto nail. I basically just cut it from the middle part. Like I evenly, like, I don't even know if I should explain what I do. I'm gonna still do it. I take the scissors like towards like the middle of the nail. And then I use that as a guide, so it could be, the point could be directly in the middle, if you understand what I'm saying. Like, I want to create a whole diagram, put it on the screen for y'all, but I will do that in the shaping tutorial, okay? So subscribe if you want to see the shaping tutorial, okay? But basically, I'm just cutting them all down to even size, whatever. But cut them down to even size, make sure they're all the same length. And I'm watching this with y'all, hold on. And then I'm going in with my file, and then I think I went in with my e-file too. Then I took the e-file and went over the nail tips just so I could see them better, to make them easier to shape. That's what I did. I was like, what the heck did I do next? But yeah. So then y'all just gonna see me shape. I'm not gonna go into detail because I'm gonna do a tutorial on that. Next, we're gonna hydrate. We're gonna dehydrate first, then prime our nail. For dehydrator, you could buy a dehydrator or you could just simply use alcohol. It does the same thing. For primer, I use Me a Secret. I use the Dynamic Protein Bomb. I use some random ones from Amazon. Just try what works for you. The last one is the one from Amazon. I use multiple different things. Some work, some don't work, but just try them. Just try. The fun part about being a nail tech is just trying the new products, getting new charms, new trends. You just gotta try stuff out for yourself sometimes. And since this is the last step in our prep tutorial, I'ma just stop talking. So, please comment what y'all want to see more of. Tell me if y'all even like this. Just vibe. Shit, y'all can tell me y'all name. Like, I'm really not that strict and all. Like, just chill. This is like a chill area. This is a chill vibe. Just be yourself. I'm be myself. Like, this is just me posting content to the world, and we're just gonna talk to each other, and we're just gonna vibe with each other. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I realize you actually have to get on here and tell people to like for them to like stuff. So, yeah, please leave a like. Please subscribe. Yes, I'm begging for likes and subscriptions. I don't care. Bro, boo-hoo. Please. Bro, boo-hoo. Please like. Please subscribe. What's that saying? I'm not too proud to beg. Please like. Please comment. Please subscribe. Please, please, please. Thank you. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. I love you. And no, I'm not saying that just so you can like and comment and subscribe. But if that helped, then I love you again. Please just enjoy the music for the little couple seconds that's left, okay? And I'm gonna say bye to y'all before you about to leave. It's me again. I told y'all I was gonna come say bye to y'all. Like, y'all know I couldn't let y'all leave without saying bye. So thank y'all for watching. If y'all made it this far, make sure to like, please, for me. And you also watched it, so please like you liked it. You stayed this far. You were hearing this, you know you liked the video. Like, don't even cap. Love you, and subscribe.